now because of the winds. That's going to be the primary problem that we are going to be facing. The winds will pick up on Wednesday. Tomorrow they're going to gradually increase, but Wednesday will be the big day. The winds will be coming at us from the west, up and over the mountains, and they're going to be peaking out right here on the east and northeast sides of town. We're talking about those gusts at about 50 miles an hour. As we break it down even more, we're going to be dealing with those sustained winds southwest 20 to 30, gusts to 50. I think between 10 o'clock Wednesday morning up until 4 o'clock. That's when the winds will be the strongest. Now, they're going to gradually weaken a bit after 4 o'clock, not totally go away. And again, it's you folks on the east and northeast sides of town that will get the brunt of the winds. Now, look at our latest future track computer model. No issues tonight. So that's the good news. Whatever your outdoor plans are, I know a lot of you folks are going to be heading out for a bite to eat. And they're certainly looking at a nice night tonight. So maybe you have to wait outside, you know, before you get inside the restaurant, but at least the weather conditions will be pretty pleasant. Now, tomorrow, the winds will start to pick up. It's going to be a very warm day tomorrow. We're not looking at any record highs, but we're certainly going to be climbing well into the 70s. Now, Wednesday, as the front drives through here from the west, by lunchtime, you can see the clouds. You can see some of the higher elevation snow showers, lower elevation rain showers. I think what we see is going to be light. If you look at Wednesday at 3 o'clock, it'll be windy, and we're going to be tracking some of the light rain driving across the area. By 5 o'clock, still dealing with some rain. Some of the higher elevations may see some light snow, even by 6 o'clock on Wednesday night. You can see our latest future track computer model indicating some of the rainfall. That continues to push out of here. We'll clear the skies in here by late Wednesday night into Thursday morning. It's going to be windy on Thursday. The winds will gradually begin to decrease as we make our way through your Thursday. All right, so here's the overnight lows tonight in the upper 30s and low 40s by tomorrow morning. Here's your high temps tomorrow. Look at this. Very warm. A lot of us going to be well into the 70s, maybe right around 80, but we are going to be dealing with this, the winds that will be picking up. Likely we could see some gusty conditions right around 35 miles per hour. 30s overnight in Donegal County. Your high temps for tomorrow will be very nice as well. You'll be climbing into the mid and upper 70s with you folks in Chaparral at about 77. So 39 overnight tonight. Will be a lovely night for you. Tomorrow, 77 degrees, will be very warm. Again, those winds will gradually pick up as well. 32 overnight in Las Cruces for you guys, and then 75 will be your high temp tomorrow. Sunrise time will occur at 6:48. Here comes the next several days. So 77, then 66 behind the front. Front drives through here Wednesday. Going to be later in the day Wednesday. I think we'll make it up to about 66 degrees out ahead of the front. Then 55 on Thursday. Notice those overnight lows will get a little bit colder once we head into Friday morning. That's going to be the coldest morning that we see over the next 7 days. 1 degree below freezing at 31, 58. Then the weekend hits us. We warm back into the upper 60s, maybe right around 70 here on Sunday. And then the winds make a comeback again as we look ahead to next Monday, Mark.
Here we are.